just have to show you the my little garden idea. When you have only a small space to build a garden in, your own garden, our idea with the help of my husband is like this. So in the fence, you notice that we put a board, like a half, just like us, not really so small, but enough to hold your plants, because actually you put your plants in a flower pot. So just like this, and I enjoy every weekend. This is my hangout place to relax in my little garden. Yeah, I plant different kind of thing like moringa or my sweet potatoes and variety of green plants, as you notice in this video. So that's a board and a small flower pot. Then I planted different kind of plants like aloe vera, and then I just planted scallion because some of the aloe vera is already getting old, so I replace it with the scallion. So just to have something to do when you don't have work on the weekend, because pretty much my day off is the weekend. So just like this, I plant similar flowers. I like this white with the green. So yeah, see, just like that. And this is the way we do. My husband did with my help too. We're also like a stained wood stain. Yes. See. Yeah. And yes, some of these, well, basically we bought these hanging plants just to fill this corner here. And this corner here used to have a big woods, but we cut it down after the hurricane 2 years ago. Knock it down. So it helps, and I like it. I know it's not the most beautiful gardens, but it does help for me to relax over the weekend and the holidays if you don't have anything to do. Yep. And thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy and got some idea if you want to have a small space in your yard and wanted to have gardens. Yes. Yep.